Hello everyone, this is Alicia. So this is the room that I've been working on. I videotaped a little while ago, and this is the progress. So as you can see, there's a lot more work to do. I've got some more walls to take down, but a lot of the insulation in the ceiling is out. The floors are cleaned up from all that debris, all that animal droppings. A lot of animal droppings. I think a combination of cats and raccoons have been living in this ceiling right here. But that's all cleaned out. I'm sorry, it's dark. So this is the progress that I've made. So I still got to get doors. It's the car just sitting outside there, and then I'm going to walk you down the hall. Now, I have been working a little bit down this hall as well, but this is what I still need to work on. So it's not terrible, a lot of light. Let me see, let me try to grab some light. But so this is I did pull the ceiling down just in this hall. I still got to do the bedrooms. And still excited, still happy. This is the progress that I'm making for my babes, my adopted children, well, foster kids. That's what they told me I should probably start off with foster kids, since I've never had kids myself, and then I can adopt those children once they come up for adoption. So again, looks like progress. A lot of work ahead of me. Takes me maybe a couple hours to clean all of this out. This is a lot of the debris that I pulled out of the ceiling because there's so much poop and just water damage in some of the areas. But I'm very, very grateful that someone would even let me have this unit for my kids. And so yeah, this is one of the kids' rooms. Still needs a lot of work. Got to work on that ceiling, and then pull out the window, and then lots of other things that still need to be done in here. Work on the floors, and then there's the closet. I just swept this closet out, but that needs a lot of work too. That insulation's got to come out. And this floor here, I just cleaned that out. And then that room right there, I don't know if you can see it real good, is the bathroom. It's just the door with some plastic hanging over it. And it needs a toilet. So I got to get a toilet. And then straight ahead is going to be the larger bedroom. But yeah, that's going to need a lot of work as well. I don't know if you can see the ceiling over there. And then the some debris on the floor. So got a lot more cleaning to do, but I'm grateful. God is awesome. He is definitely the savior, the provider, the keeper, the lamb, the lover of our souls. So I'm happy to be in progress. So anyways, thank you for checking this out, and God bless you. Bye.